I'm going to teach you how to add attachments when emailing invoices from QuickBooks. This straightforward process can really improve the way you provide information to your clients, making transactions smoother, more professional, and easier to track. Whether you're sending receipts, contracts, or supporting documents, this method ensures your clients have everything they need right at their fingertips. First, let's get you signed in. Go to your QuickBooks account and click the Sign In button. Make sure you're logging into the correct QuickBooks online account. Especially if you use multiple QuickBooks products, enter your username and password carefully and then click Continue. Once signed in, you'll be on your QuickBooks homepage, ready to create a new invoice. Look to the top left corner and click New. From the options that appear, select Invoice. This is the standard transaction type for billing clients, and it allows you to include all the necessary details in one document. Next, start filling in your invoice details. Select the customer you are billing. If it's a new customer, you can quickly add them to your customer list. Then, fill in essential information such as the billing period, due date, invoice number, and any memos or notes relevant to the transaction. Adding clear details helps avoid confusion and ensures professional communication. Now, let's add your product or service information. Include each item being billed, whether it's hours of labor, specific services, or products sold, and enter the correct amount for each. This step is essential for clarity, both for you and your customer, and it ensures your invoice is complete and accurate. Once your invoice details are set, scroll to the bottom where you'll find the attachment section. Click on it, and you'll have the option to upload files directly from your computer or connect to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. This is perfect for including receipts, contracts, or other supporting documents that complement your invoice. If you've uploaded files before, you can also click Show Existing to quickly reuse them, saving time and effort before sending your invoice. It's important to double check everything. Make sure all the details are correct, the invoice totals are accurate, and the right attachments are included. Once you're confident, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will give you the option to review the email one last time before sending it off to your client. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks guides and tips to streamline your business workflow. Happy QuickBooking!